The advent of CRISPR technology has ushered in an era of unprecedented possibilities in genetic engineering, particularly in the field of oncology. Researchers at UC San Francisco have recently demonstrated that by transforming ordinary white fat cells into energy-consuming beige fat cells, they can effectively starve tumors and inhibit cancer growth. This innovative approach not only challenges conventional boundaries in cancer treatment, but also raises profound ethical questions. To navigate these complexities, we will explore the morality of this scientific advancement through the lenses of Aristotelian ethics, domestic philosophy, and Roman Catholic theology. At the heart of Aristotelian ethics lies the concept of eudaimonia, often translated as human flourishing or well-being. Aristotle posited that the ultimate goal of human life is to achieve a state of flourishing through the cultivation of virtue. In the context of CRISPR-mediated fat cell engineering, one must consider whether this technology truly promotes human flourishing or if it merely serves as a utilitarian tool for the eradication of cancer. From an Aristotelian perspective, the creation of engineered fat cells could be seen as a manifestation of practical wisdom, or phronesis. The researchers, by harnessing technological advancements to combat a formidable adversary like cancer, embody the virtues of courage and ingenuity. However, one must also interrogate the potential consequences of such interventions. The manipulation of human biology raises questions about the integrity of the human form and the natural order. If the pursuit of medical advancements comes at the cost of ethical considerations, we risk undermining the very essence of human flourishing that Aristotle emphasizes. Furthermore, Aristotle's doctrine of the mean suggests that virtues lie between extremes. In this case, the extremes could be represented by the unmitigated manipulation of genetic structures and the rejection of beneficial technologies that could alleviate suffering. The ethical challenge is to find a balance that respects the sanctity of human life while also embracing the potential for scientific progress that can lead to healing and restoration. Domestic philosophy, particularly as articulated by thinkers like John Locke and Jean-Jacques Rousseau, emphasizes the social contract and the responsibilities individuals owe to one another within a society. The application of CRISPR technology to combat cancer can be viewed as a collective endeavor, wherein society must grapple with the implications of genetic manipulation. The promise of engineered fat cells to diminish the burden of cancer represents a significant step toward the collective well-being of society. However, this raises questions about access and equity. If such advanced treatments become available, who will have access to them? Will they exacerbate existing inequalities within healthcare systems? The moral imperative, as derived from domestic philosophy, is to ensure that the benefits of scientific advancements are equitably distributed and that all individuals have the opportunity to benefit from innovations that promote health and well-being. Moreover, the societal implications of using CRISPR technology must be considered. The potential for misuse, whether through unintended consequences or ethical breaches, necessitates a robust framework for governance that prioritizes accountability and ethical oversight. In this light, the development of engineered fat cells must not only be about combating cancer, but also about fostering a responsible dialogue that includes diverse perspectives and values. In examining the moral implications of utilizing CRISPR technology through the lens of Roman Catholic theology, we encounter a framework that emphasizes the sanctity of life and the inherent dignity of the human person. The Catholic tradition teaches that life is a gift from God, and any intervention in human biology must be approached with reverence and caution. The engineering of fat cells to combat cancer could be viewed as a positive exercise of human creativity, reflecting the divine image within us as co-creators. However, this theological perspective also warns against treating life as merely a means to an end. The moral evaluation of this technological intervention must consider whether it respects the intrinsic value of human life and the natural order established by God. Deontological ethics, particularly as articulated by Immanuel Kant, emphasizes the importance of duty and adherence to moral laws. From this perspective, the application of CRISPR technology must be guided by principles that honor the dignity of all individuals affected by cancer. This includes an obligation to conduct thorough ethical reviews, informed consent processes, and ongoing assessments of the implications of such interventions. Moreover, the Catholic Church's commitment to the preferential option for the poor and vulnerable underscores the necessity of ensuring that innovative treatments, such as engineered fat cells, do not become privileges reserved for the affluent. The moral imperative is to ensure that scientific advancements are accessible to all, thus upholding the value of solidarity and communal responsibility.